So chickens and birds in general hide their illness. So if you notice that a chicken is not acting right, they've harbored whatever illness, bacteria, deficiency for a while, and it's an emergent situation at this point. You will notice that the chicken is not feeling well if it starts to fluff up its feathers, and you'll see in their eyes are kind of droopy, their wings may be droopy. They might not be able to walk very well. They're kind of hanging by themselves, not socializing with other birds. And this is when you really have to remove them from the flock, put them in their own hospital cage, and either go to a veterinarian to see what's up and treat them that way, or let nature take its course, and just with the proper rest, that bird may recuperate. I will tell you from experience that the second option, it's kind of a 50-50 chance. The bird will either make it or not. So finding yourself a veterinarian to run some tests to see what's up would be the best option at this point.